Good morning, children. Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Standard ninth Economics, Unit 3, Money and Credit. Already discussed the topic, barter system, coins, paper money, nature of money, history of money. The previous class we discussed. Today, discuss the topic. It's a major important one. Electronic and transaction and role of reserve and bank is a relation between money and its prices. Okay, now discuss the topic electronic transaction. One has to visit the bank and fill in a challan or produce a check to withdraw money from his account. Now this practice is gradually vanishing. Instead, one can easily withdraw the necessary amount from an automated teller machine. That is what, children? ATM. What's the expand of the ATM? Automated teller machine. With the help of an ATM, debit card, one can easily withdraw the money needed at any time at ATMs located everywhere. A person can deposit money in their account without visiting the branch. Similarly, credit cards are also available, through which things are bought on credit and the amount can be paid later. Nowadays, instead of using checks or DDS. DDS, that means what, children? Demand drafts. Online transaction through net banking are carried out. Though this money is transacted to anyone who lives anywhere across the globe. Technology has advanced so much that even mobile banking is widely used nowadays.
Next, discuss the topic role of the Reserve Bank of India. A government has a responsibility to regulate money supply and oversees the monetary policy. Monetary, that means money. Hoarding of money must be avoided at all cost in a country's economy. Only then money can be saved in banks. Money only saved in where, children? Bank. A major portion of savings in banks are used for development of industries. So major it is used for what? Development of industries, economic growth and various development schemes for welfare of the people. So savings for that schemes is welfare of the poor people. All the major and important banks were nationalized 1969 in India. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, regulates the circulation of a currency in India. The Reserve Bank of India started its operation on 1st April 1935. 1st April 1935. It was permanently moved to Mumbai from the year 1937. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, was nationalized in 1949 1949. 85% of the printed currency is laid for circulation. According to the statistics available as on August 2018, currency worth of 19 lakh core are in circulation. Okay, do you know Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, that is a PhD thesis on the problem of the rupee, its origin and its solution, was the reference tool and provided guidelines for the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Next, discuss the topic relationship between money and prices. There is a close relationship between volume of circulation money and the price of things. 90% of the products are manufactured with the main aim of the sales are meant for service. Growing crops and production are done on the commercial basis rather than on the substances level. This phenomena also increase the importance of the market and money. The relationship between money and price is connected with the monetary policy. There is a close relationship between the growth of money supply and the inflation. The price control play a very important role in a country's economic stability. This role is played by the Central Bank of our country, RBI, Reserve Bank of India in currency is the medium of exchange in a country. The Indian currency is called the Indian rupee. So INR, that means what, children? Indian currency, the Indian currency. Okay, it is called the Indian rupee, INR, Indian rupee. In a country, the foreign currency is called the foreign exchange. Purchasing capacity of all currencies in the world are comprised using the US dollar as a standard currency. This value differs from country to country. That's the value differ to country, but it is different. The most of the international trade transaction international level is a major transaction only. It is carried about US dollar. Only it is US dollar. So let us recall that point. It's a major. It's the electronic transaction, role of the Reserve Bank of India, and relationship between money and prices. Thank you.